washing machine, elevators, and air conditioners are robots over here, then what are ramp, paper cutter, and scissors? Can anyone tell me?
You need someone to operate them.
Absolutely. But what is the category we can put them under? Charush is raising his hand as well. Let's hear from Charush.
A machine?
Absolutely. So, ramp, paper cutter, and scissors are just simple machines. Now, let's move on to the activity part. Omar is showing us an LED. Everyone, thank you so much, Omar. That's awesome. Yeah, that's exactly what an LED is. Okay, so for this activity, we will be using an Arduino. And now, what is an Arduino? Omar, do we know what an Arduino is?
That's what I have.
Charush also has one. Yeah. Okay, so all you need to do is click on the resistor and drag it to the cathode. I think we're done with our circuit, so we need to test it out if it's going to blink or not. And for that, all we need to do is click on the Start Simulation button, this big button on the top right corner of your screen, as I'm showing you right here. All you need to do is click on this button and tell me if your LEDs are blinking. Show me a double thumbs up if your LEDs are blinking.
We are based in Silicon Valley. Our head office is in West San Jose, California. The learning would be completely online. Currently, we have more than 2,000 active students in our program. Some of the students who have already graduated from the program, they worked on some product, they took it to the next level. Primarily, we'll be focusing on technical skills. So once they complete the program, they'll be ready with programming and technical skills. They'll be ready with entrepreneurship and leadership skills. And we are trying to prepare them for the future, and some of it might not be applicable immediately, but when they go for the college admission, they'll be able to write about the journey that they had, where they'll be able to write all that in their resume. The program would be divided in different tiers, and depending on child's knowledge level and their age, they'll be placed in a relevant tier. We'll follow experiential learning approach in all the sessions. So the approach that we'll follow will involve 4 steps: observe, perform, understand, and feel. So they'll first observe the instructor. Instructor will do the activity. Then they'll perform the activity themselves, and instructor will do the handhold. So they can understand it better. Then they can understand the logic, whatever is happening, why it's happening and all that. And then they'll get a feel of it. So they'll change the parameters, they'll change the connection, and they can see how it's impacting the circuit work.
So this program, would it benefit to robotics clubs, whatever they hold at the high school level? Like in high school, in our high school usually, the robotics club is pretty competitive.
Absolutely. So I think a lot of students who are coming to us, many of them want to prepare for some kind of robotics competition, right? We are going to make them ready. I mean, we have our own competition,